Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to log out ChatGPT account. Why would you want to know how to log out ChatGPT account? Well, maybe it is your first time using ChatGPT and not sure how to log out ChatGPT account. So today I am going to show you how to log out ChatGPT account. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Log outing your ChatGPT account is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will log out ChatGPT account. First of all, open ChatGPT account in your Chrome, and now here is my ChatGPT home screen. And then click on three dots next to your email, and now click on log out, and it will immediately log out your ChatGPT account, and then log in back your account when you want. So there you go. If you were wondering how to log out ChatGPT account, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.